Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here then hello, my name is Emily and welcome back to Advent with Emily. We are currently on day 5. So this year we are going through the NYX Advent calendar. As you can see, it's on my bed and we're going through and using the product of the day every single day to create a new tutorial. If you've watched all the days, you're probably sick of that intro. So today is day 5 as I said, and in day 5 we got a blending brush. I don't know if this has a name. I don't think it has a name actually, it's just a blending brush. So this is just a standard blending brush, so I thought I would create this look inspired by Alyssa. If you know her, you know, she's fabulous. And she did this look about a year and a half ago and I absolutely loved it, so yeah, I thought I'd try and recreate it. We have a bit of a bump in the road, so I thought I would keep it in and show you, you know, not every look goes perfectly and sometimes it just goes wrong and you have to kind of fix it. So yeah, this look I had a bit of a couple of times and it went wrong, but we carried on going and we managed to get a cute look in the end. So yeah, please excuse the lighting at the start of the video, it kind of goes a bit dark, but it fixes itself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below if you like the look, really. What's your favourite look so far? 1, 2, 3 or 5? Please let me know. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So as always, I'm going to start out with my PLouise base. I love this stuff. I think I've said that in every single video so far, so you should know that by now. If you don't, then you should go and watch my other videos and then you will definitely know. So I'm actually going to go in with my ABH Alyssa Edwards palette, which I wanted to give away. I mean, oh, if this isn't like me in a palette, this is just, it's stunning. So I'm going to take the shade BBDC, which is this kind of purpley shade. Also, yes, I have not done my my nails. This one, I was sat on the sofa watching TV and I was just holding the edge of the sofa like this and I decided, you know, what's a great idea? I'm going to put my feet up on the sofa as well. I kicked my nail off. Like, this is my actual nail and it's split in half. So I've not been able to do that yet. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to take this side of the brush. I'm going to take the shade BBDC. I'm just packing this through my crease. This is actually really pigmented, I really like it. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Texas Made, which is this neon pink. And this needs to go away. So I'm going to go in with this shade and I'm just going to use the ABH brush again. And I'm just going to use this to blend out the purple shade. So I completely changed my mind and I decided to just go in with the ABH brush and go in with the shade Unicorn Tribe, which is this colour here, because this colour just was not blending. So I've just gone in with this colour here and applied it with the ABH brush and blended it out with the NYX brush. And it's actually a really nice brush. Like, it's so soft and it blended really, really nicely, as you can see. It's a bit more purple toned in person. It's coming off very neon pink on my camera, but it's a bit more purple toned. So I'm going to go in with my PLouise paint. This is the PLouise and Mitchell Acid Rain Glow Girl paint. It is absolutely stunning. Like, look at that colour. That is stunning. That's just what I wanted. Because I'm going to put like a dark colour on top of this later, but I want like the pink base to come through. Look at that. And apparently these set themselves, so they're not like the PLouise base. They're like a paint, so they set themselves in 60 seconds apparently. I've wanted these since they first came out, but I didn't get them. But then they had like 3 for 2 on all the bases, so I basically got 2 of them for free. So for the dark shade on the lid, I want to go in with this colour from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault. It's like a cranberry black with like cranberry glitters. It's a very pretty colour. Like, it's very unique. So I thought I would just take a bit of this and pat this all over the lid and just pack this all over my lid. and then just go back in with this brush and buff those edges. I'm trying to get it so you can actually see that it's blended, because it's perfectly blended, like perfectly blended, but this camera just does not like to show blended work. Yeah, it's blended, but all the glitter's gone, so like, it's so pretty. Like, look at that. And then it just turns out into a black. So I'm going to try a couple of things. I'm going to apply some of this liquid foil thing from Lottie London. And then I'm going to apply some of this glitter here, which is called Gingerbread. I actually created it with my friend's brand EROSEGLITZ, which is now called Glitz. So I'm going to put some of this on as a base, and then I'm going to try some of that glitter. I'll try it on this side because this eye isn't the best. Just blend it out. Yeah, I think that's better. I'm really annoyed that you can't see the true colours of these eyeshadows and that it's blended, because like this makes me look like I can't do makeup. Let me try and zoom out. In person, I love it, and that's all that really matters. So I'm actually just going to go and put the rest of my face on, and then I'll be back. I was going to use some new products I got in a PR package, but they sent me the complete wrong shades. I selected the light shades and they sent me the deep dark shades, and I'm definitely not deep dark. So yeah, I'm gonna go and put my face on, and then I'll be back to finish off the eyes. You can kind of see now that it's actually blended. Okay, so I've just changed my lights in my room because I've had to shut my curtains because it's gone dark outside. You can see the blend now. This side isn't good because like I messed up, but like you can see the blend now. So yeah, I'm going to go and put on my face routine. If you ever wonder what I put on in these videos when I go off and I do my face, I use the Conceal and Hydrate foundation and concealer in the shade 3 in both because I'm pale. I use my Revolution Baked Bronzer in the shade Holiday Romance. No longer this shade because I'm pale again. And then I use my Skin Finish in the shade Opalescent, and I tend to use this highlighter the most. This is the Primark Double Dimension Snowflake one from last year. Oh, and I use my Revolution Pro face powder in F2. So I just used this brush for my contour that I won in the giveaway from Millie, and I am obsessed with it. This is amazing for contour, nose contour, because it's just like a little tiny skinny little thing. This is the Unicorn Cosmetics 035 brush. I mean, first of all, it's stunning, like, beautiful, but it actually does a really good job of contouring. So as you can see, I have put my lashes on, I've got my face makeup on, I'm going to put my coffee down. So for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take a bit of Unicorn Tribe again, and I'm just going to take this on the same brush, and I'm just going to run this along the lower lash line. I'm actually going to take a tiny bit of the shade BBDC, this one here. This is the one that I tried to use at the start and failed. And I'm just going to take a tiny bit of that really close to the lash line. And then I'm just going to take a tiny bit more of the Glow Girl paint, and I'm just going to put this into my waterline. That's beautiful, that's perfect. And then I'm going to go in with my Dumb Blonde Cosmetics Pigment in Bubblegum, which is a neon pink, as you can see. So this is like neon neon. I'm just going to take it on a little pencil brush, and I'm just going to apply this onto my inner corner. I'm going to apply a bit of the blush from last year's calendar, just because it's a lot of pink and I feel like my face looks kind of dead in comparison to my eyes. Sometimes I just kind of look at my face and I'm like, something's missing, and it's usually blush. I used to hate blush, so I still kind of forget to put it on, but you know, it's that thing that's always missing. But yeah, you can kind of see the eyes now. Much better, much more blended. So I'm going to apply this highlighter from Barry M. I got sent this by Kirsty, love her. And I'm just going to apply that. That's better. I'm actually just going to apply the lip oil from last year's calendar because, you know, the eyes are dramatic enough. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. This was more of like an experimental look that kind of went wrong, but I thought I'd show you that, you know, things go wrong when you do your makeup. It's how you fix them and how you go forward with them. And I think the look came out cute. Even if we had a bit of a rocky patch at the start, it came out cute. It came out how I wanted it to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me just absolutely screw up and then fix it. And make sure you go and check out 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I will see you again